Today is June 14th, 2012. Here I am at the Khawneejh Jatropha farm, and these Jatropha trees are growing, and see the thickness of the stem, and it is as tall as me, and it is now, the temperature is 43 degrees, and this is growing just fine. So here we are doing this experiment to see whether it will be able to withstand the heat, and I can see that the new leaves are budding out of these, and all of these trees are growing, and they're getting bigger and bigger, and even in this heat. So our experiment of growing Jatropha here in the desert of UAE is bearing fruit. Now, if this one tree can give me 4 liters of oil, just imagine that the roads between Dubai and Abu Dhabi, and here are the flowers that are coming up from these trees. So what we are seeing is that here are the flowers but it is too hot. So I have to regulate the planting time so that I plant the seeds now, and the fruit should come out in February or March, because summer is too hot here in the Middle East, in the desert. So with this heat, I have to regulate the planting time of my saplings. So I'm going to start a new plantation in June and get the seeds and the fruit out in March or April. Look at this lush tree, and all of these are Jatropha trees that we are growing here, and we did intercropping, and I am now going to have the authorities, I'm going to work with the UAE government to plant these Jatropha trees all over UAE. And if I can do that, then all of the oil that is being used here in the power plants, in the trucks, and all of that would come out of these Jatropha trees. This has been a very, very successful experiment that we have done, and with this result that we are getting, that if we have these timing rotated of the plants, see these plants, they are, each one of them that I planted at the distance of 8 feet is growing just very well here in Khawneejh. And for one day, hopefully, these trees will become very, very big. I'm going to prune them, and once I prune them, I will have from one tree about 100, between 50 to 100 branches. See here, the branches are all, come close, 1, 2, 3, 4, all of these. Look at the branches that are coming out from these trees. So if I prune these branches, then from each limb, I will get 5 more. So here, if I prune it from here, here, 5 more. This is right now about 7 branches. It will become 35 branches. So this is all of these trees. See, all of these trees are having so many branches that are here. So each tree is having these branches, and the leaves are coming. See the purple color leaves, the green leaves. Now this was without any fertilizer or anything, just raw land. Now I'm going to start, after the summer, after I prune them, start putting fertilizer and water, and then have this huge forest of Jatropha trees from which I'll get the fruit and will be doing the replanting. So I'm so happy that what we have done has been a successful experiment in UAE, and multiple trees have been planted. Thank you very much. I will keep you updated on this, and this whole forest of all these Jatropha trees is a sign that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has shown mercy on us and given us barakah on our efforts, and inshallah ta'ala we should have huge Jatropha oil, biodiesel made in UAE very soon. Thank you.